glad you're not allergic to pollen and stuff. I think that's what it is. It's absolutely everywhere. Looks like it's going to be another warm day in the bike. And we'll double sachet. So this is my little stash box. Hotels are a great place to stock up on your stash box. Plus my work colleagues grabbed some for me as well, so they're awesome. Thanks guys. I'm using them. How absolutely tiny this is. 1.97 kilos, so about 4 pounds 5 ounces. 4,000 mil hydrostatic head. Poles are great. I don't keep the poles in the bag just to kind of help with the pack, but it wouldn't really be much more. Really tiny, really good. It is a little on the small side when you put all your gear in it, but I tried to get the helm too, and it's just really hard to find. So you know, maybe someday I'll get that, but for this is an absolute perfect tent. Much smaller than the Slummit Club 2 that I had, but that's a great tent as well. That's actually just massive. Good morning. It was an alright campsite. It's very near the road, so you kind of hear trucks, and there's a lot of motorbikes using this road here. It might be a bit of a local biker spin. As you can see, it's pretty cool. Today's goal is to reach the Atlantic Highway. It's over 3 hours away, so the rest of this Norway part is all about slowing down. You can't really do massive differences here because the speed limits are they seem to be enforced. Like I've seen more cops, police than I have since I entered Norway than I have since I left Ireland. But what a stunning area. I think the word stunning is going to be used quite a lot for the next couple of videos. So yeah, it's just slow down, take it easy. I'm being pretty blessed with the weather. I don't know what time it is, but it's like 15 degrees. It's a bit cool in the shade here, but yeah, all good. So we'll keep going. Like the start of spring, everything's like really green. It's like 1,000 shades of green. Look at the size of that. It's not the way I'm going, but it's kind of like a loop, but I am tempted just to go over that bridge. Right. I think you only live once. I'm never going to see a bridge like that again. Well, I'll probably see another one in about 2 days, but yeah, fuck it, I think we need to go over that bridge. Holy fucking Jesus Christ.
that the weather's perfect. Wow. That is something else. When they build bridges, they build bloody bridges. Well, there's the Atlantic Ocean. I'm going to start doing this now. It's about 2 kilometers away. You can feel the chill. I feel that I'll be vents open on my trousers and jacket, and you can feel that chill coming in. Hello fellow biker who didn't wave at me. Well, there's the famous road just there. This is one of these bucket list drives. For anyone that watches some of the videos I put up, I went on above the trees in Avondale and got scared shitless. This just looks pretty tall. But anyway. Take a handy. I think I'm gonna have to pull over and get the picture there. Most definitely. That is the money shot. It's prime real estate here by the looks of it. But I think I found a spot. Here we go. Give it a go. So good, I might even do it twice. Don't look down, 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 don't look down. Hi, Mr. Seagull. Is that it? No, wait, that's there you go. I think that's the biggest bridge. And you can get up and walk around all the monuments. I'm not a travel agent, so you can just look up all this shit yourself, but you know, maybe we'll just drive in here and have a look. And I'm sure you can just look this up yourself. That's pretty cool. You get a picture from the other side. I'm just gonna do it again. We'll try go a different way. The other way is about 2 hours more. But I've already gone over that massive big bridge, which will be back there. And I've had my fill of tunnels, so I might find some more. But look at that. It's pretty stunning. Plus, I want to try eat something tonight that isn't boiled in water. And my plan was obviously, you know, cook. But up at Nordkapp, a steak was €46, and I'm not that flush with cash. And as I come down further south, it's so warm that it's very hard to buy something to cook, because it's gonna sit in a really hot bag on the back of the bike. So I'm gonna try and find a shop that is close to the campsite, so I can buy some meat and then cook it without it getting cooked in the back of the bag. So welcome to the Atlantic Highway. This is the other way. This is heading south. I really could not have asked for better weather. There's that bridge over there. Ah, get back there. Oh shit, that's cold. There's a chill from that. Yeah, I really couldn't have asked for better weather. It's like I got everything thrown at me on the way up, and it's like someone just said, you know, you've had enough, here's some nice weather for the way home. And I suppose I'm just going to have to thank the sun for that one. I've seen a few butterflies as well, which we all know is a symbol of a lost loved one coming to say hello. I like rainbows, but I don't really want to see any rainbows, because that means there's rain. So feathers or robins, or yeah, that will do me. Hello, biker friends. Well, the view coming this way is like not an ocean, it's cliffs and stuff. But, like in fairness, it looks pretty daunting, but it's not that bad. Like, I don't like heights. I imagine this would be terrible in the wind. There's light breeze. Will we give a biker wave on the bridge? Biker wave on the bridge? Yay! It's like a man-made roller coaster. Well, all roller coasters are man-made, but you know what I mean. That's pretty stunning. Look at that. Shit, I hope I'm recording all this. I am, steady. So, if anyone sees me sticker, send me a picture. So, I have to go all the way around down there as far as I know. And I think that's the end of it. So that's the wide Atlantic Road both ways, I think. I don't know. Well, it was a bit I was interested in, and that's all that matters. Right, let's go find some food and something nice to eat. Tunnel is coming. Yeah, it's like a head towards a mountain and you're like, oh, I'm not fucking going over it. Yeah. Oh god, it smells like the London Underground on a hot summer's day. Why are they so fucking dark? If anybody knows anyone in Norway, could you ask them? Ah, it's water! Ah! Could they ask them, why are the tunnels so dark? Did you ever hear of LED lights? I know it. Oh god, they're horrible. Anyway, we're almost there. Mold day or mold, but like, look at that. Oh. What's this? It's traffic. Is filtering legal in a... Oh well, you know, we'll find out. Hey, everyone's gonna have a way. Oh, yes, they're all sound. Oh, thanks very much. Thank you. This is orange lane for bikes, is it? It's a very considerate Norway making these little lane things for motorbikes. Oh, I need to get out of it now. Hello, Mr. Telsa. Can I get in? Are you gonna let me in? Good. Thank you. What the fuck is that? Oh, that was rather easy. 280 NOK. Whatever that is. So I'm not really sure. I know I'm staying in a tent and I might come across, oh, you're slumming it, but I picked this campsite for one reason, and everything is kind of lined up, as in the weather is awesome, there's no breeze, so wait to see what I get to look at. As soon as I pull my beard down my fucking strap. There you go. Right. You know, there really are worse ways to wake up. But yeah, I got to camp in front of this. Oh, fuck me. Move that. Ah, really? English? French. Oh, okay. Merde. Sorry. All this way and someone parks in front of you. I think I just ruined their view. They really like their camper vans up here. I can hear drums off, like a marching band off into the distance. Tomorrow is a Norwegian public holiday. I think it's the largest one of the year. I think I need to go Google what it's all about. I'm trying to have a steak sandwich. Not bad. How's it going, everybody? I am at a campsite in some place. I'll fill you in later on. I'm with Christian, and Christian's mad, crazy, because he's cycling all the way up to where exactly is it you're going?
From North Germany.
He's going from North Germany.
North Germany to the Lofoten with bike, and my journey is, I think, 5,000 or 6,000 kilometers, and I cycled for 3 months.
So he's gone from Germany and he's going to, I'm going to say the Lofotens, which is where I wanted to go, but I didn't make it there. So I'm going to follow this man's journey. So he's raising money, and I'll tell you, he's going to try explain in English, because he could probably explain it in German, no problem whatsoever. I'm going to try explain in English in a few seconds as to why he's doing it. So what are you doing it for?
Yeah, I try it in English. I do it for myself, and the second reason is a lot of people in Germany have not enough money for food. Some organization, or one organization in Germany, it called Die Tafel, spend food for these poor people. And in my hometown there are living 50,000 people, and at the Tafel there are more than 1,100 people. They have not enough money for food. So my journey is to raise money to spend a smile to these people. Smile today. That's my reason to make this journey. Greetings from Germany, Norway to Ireland.
So the whole premise of what Christian does is smile today.
Smile today.
So it's all about smiling, and just, you know, I think if you smile, you feel better, you can be less depressed. And part of the reason I'm doing this journey is to do with suicide. So suicide, as I always say, is a permanent solution to a temporary problem, and sometimes you can cure a temporary problem by just smiling and seeing what's good in life, and taking the goodness in life, and try to be happy. It's not the be all and end all of everything. It doesn't solve all the problems, but you know, what did my mum used to say? It takes less muscles to smile than it does to frown. So I don't know, but turn around the t-shirt there. So we got smile today. So I know this video is going to be, you'll probably be in the Lofotens by the time I have this video on YouTube, but I've done something on Instagram, and I'll do something on Instagram later on, and tag Christian's page. He's raising funds as well through GoFundMe, so I'll stick the link on that as well. And now just to be careful, or just to be precise, he's got batteries on his bike as well, so he's, you know.
I'm over 50. I'm over 50 and a couch potato. You know a couch potato?
He's a 50-year-old couch potato. Yeah, but he's got batteries, so, you know, it's not all pedal power. But still, if I had to choose between doing it on a bike, an electric bike or a motorbike, I'd probably choose to do it in a car at this point. I've kind of had enough. But yeah, that's cool. So yeah, we're in this beautiful campsite. I've parked in front of a couple of French people who I think got really annoyed because I'm spoiling their view. And I was hoping to put the drone up, but apparently there's an airport just there, and it's absolutely ruined this amazing footage, which I'll get in a minute because I need to make some food. So anyway, there you go. What is the main holiday in Norway? And it is the Norwegian Constitution Day. The Day of the Constitution is a national holiday that is held on the 17th of May, and is one of the biggest festivals in the country. Norway's National Day is a celebration of national pride and respect. Well, what an unplanned coincidence that I happen to be in Norway for this day. So I managed to get tomorrow sorted out, which, if I can get there, will be epic. Someone told me that the Trogstein Pass, or Trolled Pass, is actually closed to June, but someone just messaged me and said it might be open tomorrow. So I find that hard to believe, because Christian, who we just met, said he went there 3 days ago, and it was closed. and he said he met someone else and they said it was closed. They said you can park at the bottom where all the camper vans are, and you can walk up to the top, and it takes 3 hours. I don't have anything to walk in, a pair of Crocs, and that's not going to get me that far. And it's not about, I say, walking up and seeing it. I want to drive on that road. So you know, we have a plan B if that doesn't go ahead, but if I can make it to where I want to go tomorrow for the campsite, it's meant to be a spectacular spot. So yeah, so that's what all the drums are about.